Tayo guys, good morning, happy Sunday to all of you. So yun guys, ang kape natin, kumusta kayo dyan? Mainit ang ano natin guys, super mainit yung coffee natin. So sarap talaga din sa malamig ang panahon natin guys, early in the morning, malamig. Maulan guys. So, kumusta ang araw nyo guys? How's your morning? I hope you have a good day everyone. So, happy Sunday to all of you. It's raining guys, maulan tayo. Sarap magkape sa malamig na panahon. So magkape na din kayo dyan guys. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Sarap. Thank you so much. Keep safe and God bless us. See you next again.
Hello guys, naku. So hapon na talaga tayo guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-merienda. Ang update guys is wala pa tayong merienda kasi naglinis-linis ako doon guys. Oh, ayan, oh, nakita nyo guys. At least may nalinis ako guys. Diba? Kasi nabisi ako dyan kanina guys. Oh, naglinis ako. Ayan. At least nakalinis naman din tayo sa hapon guys. So yun, ang update natin guys sa hapon. Hello guys. So dito muna ako guys nag-relax. Hinanap ko si Miming at tinawag ko pala si Miming kakagising lang ni Miming guys. So tinawag ko siya. So hindi lumapit sa akin para mag-video sana kaming dalawa. So yun lang guys. Hello everyone! So, kumusta kayo guys? Good evening sa inyong lahat dyan! Kumusta ang update nyo dyan guys? So, I'm here guys just relaxing, no? Hinanap ko, inintay ko sana si Miming na maglapit sa akin guys. So, hindi maglapit sa akin bago. So guys, andito si Miming! Hello Ming! Thank you so much Ming! You don't lying here Ming, you feel relaxing? Thank you. You do the love to Mimi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mim. Huh? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mim. Go. Okay. Thank you. Okay, Ming. Do you feel good, Ming? Thank you so much. Okay, Ming. Yan si Miming, guys. Feeling relaxing. Thank you so much, Ming.